Hey, just because you see this don't mean click off of it. Stay tuned. It's fun. Alrighty, y'all. We are going to get to this. We are going to make 2 sugar-free desserts. What I mean by sugar-free is that I'm using all ingredients that contains no added sugar. There may be sugars that are automatically in with that, but there's no sugars. I am going to use some half and half. I am going to use some heavy whipping cream to make my, what do you call it? My mousse for my pudding. What's it called? Like Cool Whip? That's what it is. I'm going to make some heavy whipping cream. There is 0 sugars in here. 0 added sugars, 0 sugars. And there's only 1 gram of carbohydrates per tablespoon. But we're going to make, right much of it. Probably a half a cup. I am also going to use this milk. Oh my heavens. I should have bought the other kind. I can't use this. It has 12 grams of added sugar. I need the almond silk milk. What was I thinking? Well, I'm using it. I'm not going back to the store to buy it. I just got back home. Yep, this is the kind. This is what I should have bought. 0 sugar added. Nothing in there. We're going to pretend this is the almond silk milk. Okay? And there's going to be 0 sugars in there. Oh, my land. I always screw something up. Always, 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 always. By George. Anyway, there is 0 sugars and 0 added sugars in this Jell-O. This stuff is absolutely delicious. I've been using it with my 1% milk. I was doing the keto Fairlife milk that has like half the amount of sugars that's in there, but it made me constipated, so that's not fun. And we're going to use this brownie mix. There is 0 sugars, 0 added sugars that's in this. So that's what we're going to use to make brownies. So let's get to these ingredients. I also want to insert a little clip here to tell you who this video is in collaboration with, and make sure that you go check out the description box, because all the channels will be linked in the description box, and please make sure you go check out Ingrid's channel. Hey y'all, I know I said that it was the video was in collaboration with Ingrid, and I just want to make sure that I tell you her channel verbally, but it will be linked in the description box along with the playlist. And it's called The Cooking Chronicles with Ingrid. That's her channel name. And here we go. Let's get to the video. All right, let's get to it. For our Jell-O chocolate fudge, we need to add, where's the thing? I never read these things. 2 cups of cold, fat-free milk. Well, we're pretending that this is the almond milk, not by Better Goods, but by the almond brand. I am going to put this in there after I pour my milk. We need 2 cups of this sugar-free milk. Total sugars is 13 grams, so, and 12 grams of added sugar, so this really pisses me off because I didn't pay attention to that. All right, 2 cups in my bowl. I just looked at the Silk almond milk and just assumed that this was sugar-free along with it. Didn't even look at it in the grocery store. You'll see that video. Now we're going to add in this. This stuff here, being it's sugar-free, for some reason, it takes forever to get it to mix up. But let's give it a whiskey whisk. And it'll be mixed up here in about 30 minutes. Well, I have to use these anyway to make the heavy whipping cream. I'm telling you, this stuff is hard as the dickens to get mixed together. I have never mixed it with the mixer. So let's just see if it mixes a little better. Yes, it does. So use your mixer. Now, while I'm making the heavy whipping cream, I am going to put this in the Frigidaire. To our bowl, we're going to add a cup, probably a cup of heavy whipping cream. That'll be plenty. All right, no sugar added. We're just going to whip this until it's nice, stiff peaks. So our pudding mixture is somewhat solidified. It still seems gritty to me. It's not typically how it turns out. Normally it mixes fairly well. So we're going to go ahead and add in our heavy whipping cream to turn this into a mousse. I don't want to use it all because I want to save some for garnishing. Okay. Just want to fold this in and let that air incorporate in with that chocolate pudding. Now this I'm going to love. This is right up my alley. Make sure you fold it in. Don't stir it like I'm doing. However, this way seems much easier, doesn't it? We just poured our pudding in a nice little glass that I failed to record again. And we're going to put a little dollop of Cool Whip on top. And we garnish it with a beautiful strawberry. Now let's taste it. All right. I'm going to tell you now, I love it. Can you tell if it has that artificial taste to it? Absolutely not. This is going to be my go-to snack whenever the new year starts. I mean, don't get me wrong. I've been trying to watch what I eat. I watch it, okay? I watch it go from this spoon, from the plate to the spoon to the mouth. That's what I watch what I eat. I really do. But I want to work on getting rid of Big Tina. 2025 is going to be the year for it. I thought about recording a journey. Leave me a comment below if you want me to record the journey of me losing Big Tina. But anyway, well, you guessed it. I've already made a mess. Long story. Anyway, I said I'll just turn the camera on. To our brownies, you need a half a cup of water and a half a cup of oil. I hope that's what you need because I even put my glasses on and I still can't read it. See if y'all can see a half a cup of oil, half a cup of water. I don't know. I can't make it out. Anyway, 2 eggs. Don't ask me why I'm putting in these ingredients before I put in the powder. I think it's because I want the powder to just blow out everywhere. We'll see how that goes. Need to preheat our oven to 350. So that's going for. Let's add in this brownie mix. And for some reason, they have a whatchamadoodle on there, like a little re-zip pouch. I wonder if you can like not make all of it. I have no idea. But I'm going to cut it below that because y'all know me, I'll make a mess. And in goes, it looks like it's made with almond flour. Yep, says right here. Brownie mix is filled with all the best stuff. Almond flour, coconut flour, and rich cocoa. And with only 2 grams of carbs per serving. I do not like almond flour. So I'm probably not going to like these, but hey. How about I was not recording? Ugh. Child of mercy. Okay, I mixed the ingredients. I put it in there. I tasted of it on the beaters. I don't like it. I don't like almond flour. It tastes like beach sand to me. But now we're going to put this in the oven because I did not record whatever I did. But yeah, in the oven for 30 minutes. I must say, they do look good. However, I probably won't like the taste of them. But let's see if they're done. Yep, they are, by George. Alrighty, I like my brownies warm. Do you like your brownies warm or do you prefer them cold? I am going to serve me up a brownie. All right, I'm just going to get, I am a middle person, but I will take a corner piece just because if I can get it open. I'm open. If I can get it out. Gracious, I just cannot talk today. Whoops. I will say it's very airy and fluffy. It looks really, really good. Alrighty, y'all. How does that look? Let's give it a taste test. I pray I like it. Well, here goes. Okay. So I don't like the batter when it's raw. But you're not supposed to eat it anyway, but who cares? But it's good. It's amazingly good. It's a little different just because you know that you want that chewy, gooey brownie. This is more like a cake brownie. But I will say, it's very good. So, there you have it. Our chocolate mousse. I could live off of that. So, don't forget to use the almond silk. Don't use that mess I bought. It's got sugar in it. But I will say it's delicious. And I hope this video puts some yummy in your tummy and a smile on your heart. And don't forget to check the playlist out. And if you haven't subscribed to them, I would really, really recommend you subscribing to them. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.